Man, it's Sunday. I think Sundays should be for fun. Let's go have a little fun today. Pups want to go for a ride? Oh. Oh yeah. We like rides, don't we, Indy? Yeah, we like to go for rides. Uh-huh. Danger. Fill that up, Bubba. Tire. We got a flat tire. Indy didn't notice it before we took off. Gonna fit. Oh shit. Garden looks good. Indy, we gotta air up the tire. Go turn on the compressor. We're inbound hot. Get in there. Good girl. Good puppies. Are you guys seat belted in? Oh! Marion, are you buckled in? What do you smell, girl? What do you smell? Oh! Indy, what do you say? What do you say, Bubba? Hey, Indy, what's in there? Those beans are thick, aren't they? Aren't they? Those are thick beans. Mary. Come on. Back to the booze cruiser. Let's go. Isn't she pretty? There's a 1992 Geo Tracker. What a beaut. What a beaut. Load up. Get up there, girl. Good girl. Oh, Mary needs a rub. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The little girl needs a rub. What do you think, Bubba? Should we go park it? Alright, you guys saw the Raptor. That's nothing. This thing fits me just like a glove. Well, me and the pups are hungry. I think we're going to make some beer can chicken. I've made this a few times before, but today we're going to try something a little bit different. We're going to go to the garden, pick some onions and maybe some basil, maybe some dill, and we're going to stuff its gullet. Then we're going to put it on the beer can and put it on the smoker. So let's go to the garden. Let's see, this looks like a nice onion. Let's get a white one too. That's grass. I know, Marion, it's grass. Okay, we got a white and a yellow. Maybe some basil. A few of those. That's good. That one looks good. Okay, let's cut these up and stuff it. Toss the stump. I don't know if this is an onion or garlic, but we should add it. Little herbs. Alright, let's assemble our chicken. First, I'm going to stuff it with this stuff. We're going to oil it. Lotioning, oiling. A little bit of pepper. Let's get some salt on there. Pork barrel barbecue rub. Not sure where this came from. Let's prep the beer. Drink it down about halfway. Oh yeah. Yep, make sure there's a high risk of cutting yourself when you do this. Snip. Then add your other vegetables back in here. Put that in there. Lift up the bird. Squeeze it on there. Get on there. Okay, let's go put it on the grill. Let's set it at 250, girl, is that what you're saying? 255, okay. Put that in there. We'll check on it in about an hour. It's been going for about an hour and a half. Oh yeah.
You hot?
Yeah. Ouch, my fingers. Indy, how's it look up here?
Bye-bye, off.
Have that piece.
No.
How is it, my boy? Very softly. Good girl.
Good girl.
Oh yeah, time to eat.